Good morning, Mita. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay home, stay safe. Before we start anything, let's pray to the God. Everyone, close your eyes, join your hands. Start with 3 times Omkara. Take a long breath. Start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodayat. Everyone, rub your hands. Put your hands on your mouth, on your eyes. Now slowly, everyone, open your eyes. Okay, now you are ready with your study. Okay, chalo. Before we start new our concept, let's pick the table. Everyone, start table of 3 and 4. Let's pick with me. Your mind should be here only. Okay, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay, let's today we have to one new topic for addition. Add on the number line. What is this? This is the add on the number line. Let's do how to addition on the number line. It's so easy. It's just forward counting only. What is this? Just forward counting only. Guys, wait a minute. I am setting my video. Okay, don't move here and there. Okay, chale. Our chapter is same to same. chapter 3, addition on the number, addition and subtraction. Okay, and today's our topic is addition on the number line. एक जो line होती है, number की line होती है, there is a numbers on that. Number line means numbers on the number line. In our previous chapter 1 to 20 complete the number line, या तो missing on the number line. Okay, these all you already studied the number line. The number on the line, it's called a number line. Okay, so we have to add here like a forward counting, है ना? In our previous video we learned the forward counting. Here is the question: 5 plus 3. So 5 after 3 finger, 6, 7, 8. Likewise, this is 5 plus 3 on the number line. So how to solve? What is your first number? First number is 5. So come here. Where is the 5? This is your 5. Okay. 5 after how many jumps? 3. You have to jump on the number line. Number line पे आपको jump करना है. How many? 3 number तक जाना है. 5 after 1, 2 and 3. So what is your answer? 8. No, anything is new. है ना? Nothing is new on the number line. This is the just forward counting only, but we have to add the jump only. Clear? Next one is 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6. So which one is your first number? 12. So where is your first number? Yes, 12 is here. Because we have to start from 12. तो फर्स्ट नंबर है, वहां से हमें स्टार्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट नंबर तक हमें इतना जंप फॉरवर्ड होना है. ओके, 12 after how many? 6. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what is your answer? Answer is 18. You have to one number jumps there, and next number is your jumps. First number you start from first number. You have to put your finger on the first number, then start the counting. Okay, 12 plus 6. So answer is 18 there. Clear guys? Hope you all understand. You start from your first number and jump next number. Okay? Now next one, 16 plus 14. 16 plus 14. Let's find where is the 16? 16 is here. Start from here. This is your 16. How many jumps you have to do there? 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is your answer? Answer is 20. So write it here. Okay? Sure. Now next one is how to do. This one is your question. Your answer is here. Next one question. Then answer is here. Next question. Answer is here. Okay. This next question and answer is here. Listen guys. This is the 2-digit addition. है ना? 2 means 2 step. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. But here is 8 plus 3 plus 5. So 1, 2 and 3 step. Okay. So how to do this? Let's find which one is our first number. 8. Fine. Where is 8? 8 is here. Start from here. Here after how many jumps? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now this one number after you have to find 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? How to do this 3 number addition? 8 is your first number. So start from 8. या तो फिर circle on this. Okay. Start from 8. 8 after how many jumps? 3. 8 after 1, 2, 3. Then this is here done. Now how many jumps? 5. After this number, start 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is your answer? Your answer is 16. Clear guys? This work is the same is in your textbook page number 35. This is the addition on the number line. Clear guys? This is the textbook page number 35. Write your date and CW here. Done? Then this same sum, look here, 5 plus 3, it is your our first. Then 12 plus 6, it is our next. Then 16 plus 4, it is our third. And 8 plus 3 plus 5, this is our fourth sum here. I have no space, that's why I have not explained this one, last one. This one, last one, you have to do one more 4CW in your notebook. Where you have to do? From notebook. Listen guys, this number is start from 11. So, what is there? The first number is 11. So, you start writing from 11. In your notebook, draw a number line and start writing from 11. Because our first number is 11. देखो मैं बता रही हूँ. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. चलो, your skip इसके सम भूल जाओ. Then your number is 11 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to. Okay. So I had started number line from 11. How to do number line? Listen guys. I will send you quick also, but then also you clear. One number 11 starting from 11, 12 likewise. In a one box, your number should be properly. Clear? Your number should be in a one box, one number only, and these all are in same distance. Okay? Chalo. Starting from 11 is there. How many jumps is there? 4. Starting from 11, 4 jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Till you are done. Now how many jumps? 3. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Clear? So what is your answer? Your answer is 18. Likewise, you have to do this work in your notebook. 4 to 3 extra sum also I will give you. Erase this because it's a not like going between I will draw. Okay? So this one is your CW. 12 plus 6 is equal to. Okay? This work you have to do where? In your notebook. Where you have to do this one in your sorry guys. This one you have to complete in your textbook. Where? This is same work in your textbook. Last one is remaining. So this is your last one and one more I will give you in your notebook for how to do. कैसे number line notebook में draw की जाती है. That's why. Okay? Clear guys? And look here. This one is your worksheet. What is this? Worksheet page number 21. What is there? Worksheet page number 21. चलो. Worksheet page number 21 is your homework. What is your homework? Worksheet page number 21 is your homework. And one more things, let's do the table of 5. But table of 5 is remaining now. So let's do table of 5. Just ये हमने स्टिक किया था, ठीक है ना? फिर 5 का टेबल आप लोगों को भी करवा रही हूँ. Stick with me. This table of 5 you also have to do in your notebook. Where you have to do this table of 5 in your notebook. Write the heading table of 5. Okay? What is your heading table of 5? Speak with me. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. How to write? Write in a 1 in a each box. 5 in a box, then multiplication sign, then 1. All these things in a 1 box. I already sent to you pic. मैंने आपको how to write. Okay, now 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. Clear guys? देखो 5 के टेबल में what is there? In 5 table, first one is 5 zeros are 0, okay? And then 5 ones are 5. तो आंसर में क्या होगा? 0 5 लास्ट डिजिट है ना, and ones की प्लेस में 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 likewise. If 5 11s are then 55, there is a 5. Okay, means your last digit is 5. And keep in mind 0 and 5. फिर 1 and 0 1 and 5. 2 and 0 2 and 5. 3 and 0 3 and 5. 4 and 0 4 and 5. Then 5 0. Like a 5 table of 5 is so easy, है ना? So read hardly. Let's start one more time. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. Clear guys? Hope you all are understand. Likewise, this number line is nothing new, just forward counting on the number line only. Okay. Then one more things. Look here. I am doing a number line on the notebook. But wait, I will send pic only. Okay, I will send to you pic whatever there. In your line should be in a straight. Okay, जैसे box वाली line होती है. Your notebook like this ना, आपकी notebook ऐसे होती है, ऐसे. So where you start draw your number line should be on the line. ये line के ऊपर में ही number line जानी चाहिए. And number should be this is 0 से start हो रहा है, तो 0 1 2 3. Okay. So these things should be properly. Your book should be like a decent, है ना? बहुत अच्छी बुक लगनी चाहिए, वरना if you are habit to do in proper work, your habit will be in a proper work. Okay. Okay students, we will meet in next videos. Have a nice day.